you guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this gingerbread-ish Christmas look. So yeah, let's get into it. I always prime my eyebrows and eyelids off camera. That's like the first thing I do. I think I'm going to do a beginner makeup tutorial soon, so I will show y'all all those steps. But anyways, I go in with a medium dark brown, like not a super dark and not super light, just in between. And then after that, I go in with the lighter one and I blend out the top. After that, I went in with the light concealer to carve out how I wanted my cut crease to go. I wanted it to be a full cut crease, not a half one like I usually do. So I just took my time with that and followed along the line where my crease is. Before you move on to the next step, you're going to want to make sure your lid is completely dry, or else it'll all just be a hot mess. I'm going to show y'all the inspo pic of this look after the video. It turned out to look nothing like it, so I don't know. I was like, I'm going to still post it because it's not too bad, but y'all going to laugh when y'all see the end result. Sometimes when you use that concealer to cut the crease, it can mess with the darker shade of brown that you first used. So just go back in with a small skinny brush and just outline the crease. Alright y'all, so this is where I messed up at. I'm using face paint right here. I think what would have been better is if I used a liquid white eyeliner, which I've never owned one. I only have like the pencil white eyeliner, but yeah. So I tried to go in with face paint and y'all gonna see. Y'all, I literally don't know what I'm doing. Like, I was trying to make it look like it's dripping, and I'm not even using a makeup brush. That is the end of a freaking edge brush. I feel like it looked like Christmas lights. Like, these don't look like drippings. Maybe I should just do Christmas lights, you think? I need to do gingerbread. Maybe they look like drippings from far away. No, they don't. And I think I'm supposed to do my eyelid first and then the drippings, so I probably messed up a bit, but that's okay. Sorry if I keep looking up and down. I'm talking to two different cameras. I don't. It just looks like party decorations or something. It's not giving drippings.
Okay.
It's not dripping.
It's not dripping. That was dripping. 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 I'm feeling a little dripping.
I feel like it looks cute a little bit when my eyes are closed, but then look, when I look up, it looks like nothing. So I don't know, I just got a lot more practice to do when it comes to this type of look. So now I'm going in with the smaller brush and I'm putting the darkest shade of brown that I have in between the drips, so it could look more defined. I think it made it look a little bit better, especially compared to the other eye, because look at the difference, period. It looked okay. I just really wish I had some white eyeliner, and I feel like it would have looked way better. But that's okay, y'all. Trial and error, trial and error. So after that, I started adding some colorful rhinestone Christmas colors, you know. Y'all, literally, I wasn't even going to post this video, but I went to work looking like this. And first of all, I was sad because I was like, oh my God, I look a mess going to work. Literally, everybody was gassing me up saying they loved my makeup. So I was like, maybe I should post it because maybe other people would like it too. It just wasn't my cup of tea, but y'all might like it. Y'all, I feel like it looked a little too terrible, so I'm about to cover it up with brown eyeshadow. It's just like too bad, so no. I might keep it on the sides, like it's not terrible on the sides, but on the eyelid, hell no, we're not doing that.
This year for Christmas I want you to surprise